So to give a cold shoulder look to our t-shirt, we use these measurements on the shoulder of our t-shirt. Firstly, we took an inch tape and marked 1.5 inches away from the neck. And from that point, we marked 3 inches leading to the sleeve. And then we just joined the 2 points forming a semicircle. And after that, cut that semicircle out. Okay guys, these measurements are very general. These can go for any skinny or healthy looking person, so you don't need to worry about that. Just try these out and you will see the results. Once you are done with one shoulder, fold the t-shirt as shown and use the cut of one shoulder as the stencil for the other, and mark that circle on the other as well and cut it out. So this way it makes sure that the cut of both the shoulders is equal, and we thought that this is a more easier way than measuring and cutting, so we did this. Okay, so once you are done with both the shoulders, your cold shoulder is almost ready. Yeah, we didn't want to hem the edges of the cut, so we just pulled the edges out so that they roll within and don't give that unstitched look. And also we don't want it to leave the sleeves as it is, so we thought of making a bow out of it. So we used the cut of the shoulder and fold it in as shown. We use fabric glue to paste the edges of the cloth. Once you are done with folding the piece of cloth, let's start making the bow. To make the bow, we just folded the sleeve like we used to do the fan thing, or just pleat it, and 2-3 pleats are enough to give it a bow look. Once you are done with pleating, insert the strip inwards, fold it and paste the edge using the fabric glue. Cut the excess and that's it. Your bow is ready. Repeat the same thing on the other shoulder as well. Pleat the sleeve, insert the strip, roll it out and paste the edges. And your cute little cold shoulder top is ready. Ta-da!